Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change the refresh rate on your CHiQ 22F650. So first, what you guys want to do is click the right mouse button here and then go over to display settings. Here we will have this little tab here, and we need to scroll down until we see the advanced display. Now here, as you guys can see, I am running on 50 Hz right now. You won't notice the difference because of YouTube capping it, but here we can change it up to 100 Hz. And as you guys can see, now we can click on keep changes. And for me, the difference is definitely there. This is much smoother. And that's basically how you guys can change it. So I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.